So I got this couch cover. I'm going to show you what is in it. The packaging is really nice. So you get 2 pieces of L-shaped sofa covers, 2 pillowcases, the anti-slip foam, and also you get the manual. Follow the manual. So now it's time to install. I'm just looking at the back tag and I'm putting that in the middle of the couch and making sure I get the couch cover. This couch cover is an anti-slip cover. You can see that once you take the anti-slip foam and tuck it in there, the couch cover is not going to be slipping. It is very nice, very soft, and I love how easy it was to install. I love the appearance of this couch cover. I love that it comes in different color. I love the color I picked. It just goes well with my decor and it's quite stretchy. This is how my couch looked like before, and now this is how it looks like. So beautiful, guys, so beautiful, and it's easy to care for. I can just put it in the washing machine and get it washing, and it's good for the next time we have to use it. I absolutely love it.